Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to make a crew logo in Blox Fruits Mobile. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So these are the steps that you need to do for to be able to create a logo. So by following the steps right here, you'll be able to go to the Roblox homepage and switch to the desktop version of the page. So then click onto the create and navigate to the creation dashboard. So first again, open a web browser on your mobile phone and sign into your Roblox account by entering your username and password. So that is obvious. And then after that, go to the Roblox homepage. After that, on the Roblox homepage, just like right here shown in the photo, you will need to switch to the desktop version of the page. So if you're using an iPhone, just look for an icon with two A letters located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this icon to bring up additional options and simply select Request Desktop Website. And if you're using an Android phone, look for the three dots located either at the top or the bottom of the screen and tap on these dots to open the browser's menu, and from the menu options tap on the desktop site option just like right here as shown in the photo. So this will switch the web browser to the desktop version of the Roblox homepage. And then after that, once you have switched to the desktop version of the Roblox homepage on your mobile browser, zoom in slightly to make it easier to interact with the page. So click on to the create under your username. And then after that, it will take you to a new page. So navigate to the find section and navigate to find the section labeled as manage my experiences. So this is this part right here, and it will take you to your creation dashboard, and now you can create your logo, and you can use your own photo as a logo, or you can go to the Roblox marketplace here to find a logo. And so that's it for this video. That's how you can create logo in Roblox or Blox Fruit. So I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.